Hello, first grade. So we're going to start out singing a song that we've known. We've already sung it in class before, but we're going to sing it again. I'm going to sing and play guitar, and you're going to echo after me.
Oh, my aunt came back from Timbuktu. She brought with her a wooden shoe. Oh, my aunt came back from old Japan. She brought with her a waving fan. Oh, my aunt came back from old Algiers. She brought with her a pair of shears. My aunt came back from Guadalupe. She brought with her a hula hoop. My aunt came back from the city zoo. She brought with her a nut like you.
So we have a silly song that we can sing. Do you remember what we can do? When our aunt brought back a wooden shoe from Timbuktu, we can use our foot to keep the beat. When our aunt brought back a waving fan from old Japan, we can use our hands to keep the beat. When our aunt brought back from old Algiers a pair of shears, we can use our hands to make scissors to keep the beat. When our aunt brought back a hula hoop from Guadalupe, well, we can get up and dance around for that one and keep the beat with our bodies. And then lastly, the silly one, when our aunt gets back from the city zoo, well, we have to find someone to be a nut like you. We can pick ourselves, or maybe we can pick a pet around our house, or something else around us to be silly with. Let's sing our song again, and this time, can you keep the beat?
Oh, my aunt came back from Timbuktu. She brought with her a wooden shoe. Oh, my aunt came back from old Japan. She brought with her a waving fan. Oh, my aunt came back from old Algiers. She brought with her a pair of shears. Oh, my aunt came back from Guadalupe. She brought with her a hula hoop. Oh, my aunt came back from the city zoo. She brought with her like you.
So we have a very silly song. Now, first graders, last time we were together, we were starting to talk about drawing our different notes on the staff. So you're going to need some paper and a pencil. I'm going to use a marker or something to write with. So can you draw a ta for me? Remember, we make a little dot. We make that dot a little bit bigger until it's the right size. And then we add our line to it. And does your ta look like mine? Next, first graders, can you draw a ta-ah? This time, we make a circle, but we don't fill that circle in. And then, just like our ta, we add a line to it. Does your ta-ah look like that? Our last one, can you draw a titi? Now this one has two sounds in it, so we make two little dots. We make them just a little bit bigger. We add our lines and then we connect them together because they're good friends, and we have our titi. Now after the video, you can practice as much as you want drawing your tas, your ta-ahs, and titis, and that way, when we sing them a little bit more and we start mixing our rhythms with our notes, well then, we're going to get ready to read music. So again, I'm going to hold this up for you. We have our ta, ta-ahs, and titis. Now, it might look a little backwards because we're in a video, but that's okay. We know how to draw them. Now, what we're going to have next is we're going to talk about our different notes. We started to talk about how we can sing high, we can sing middle, and we can sing low. These have certain names. Do, mi, sol. Can you sing that with me? Do, mi, sol. So we have something high, something in the middle, mi, and something low, do. So what we started to talk about was, can we draw these out? Can we start to make our notes high, middle, or low? So sing it one more time with me and move your hands with me. Do, mi, sol. Now, if you still have room on your paper, you can use that one, or you might need a new one like me. So I'm going to sing 3 notes. Can you draw them out? If we sing them low, they're going to be low on our paper. If we sing them high, it's going to be high on our paper. And if we sing them in the middle, well, it's going to be in the middle of the paper. Try this one. Do, mi, sol. Starting with an easy one. Let me write it out for you. Ready? Let me sing it again. Do, mi, sol. All right, one more time, and then I'm going to show you the answer. Do, mi, sol. All right, friends, let's see if we got it. Do, mi, sol. So I'm writing it low and high, depending on where the note is. All right, that was an easy one. Can we try a little bit of a harder one? Now, I use ta for all my rhythms, and that just helped me make it a little bit easier. Let's do a hard one. You ready? Sol, do, mi. So we have a high, a low, a middle. And what order are they in? Let me sing it again for you. Sol, do, mi. All right, friends, it's your turn to try and write them out. I'm going to write them out too. All right, one more time before I show you the answer. Ready? Sol, do, mi. All right, it's time for me to show you the answer. Sol, do, mi. Yeah, so we had high, low, middle. Now, friends, that's going to be very important when we start reading our notes on our staff. When something's very high, it sounds high. And when something's very low, it sounds low. So you can also, just like your rhythms, your tas, ta-ahs, and titis, you can start to practice too. Can you write something out and sing it back to yourself? Or can you sing something and see if you can write it out? So we can play and we can experiment with this a lot. So what I also want you to do is I want you to get up, I want you to run around, I want you to play, but we can sing, we can listen to songs, we can listen to movies and sing along with them. First graders, take as much time as you can to sing and make music until we have our next lesson. Goodbye!